In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your chair. Clear a space on the floor, unpack the box, lay out all the parts neatly and move the box out of your way. First of all, place the gas stem into the seat, then position the base onto the gas stem. Then pop the chair so it's the right way up. Then slide the backrest onto the seat. Push the button in to make sure it goes all the way down. Then put the armrest into the bracket underneath the chair and screw them into place. Then position the neck rest onto the top of the backrest. And that's it. Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Watch our next video to learn how to set up your chair.